Welcome to the channel. I will just receive my Canon 6D Mark II today. I'm just driving home now. It's 4 o'clock, so I'm very early at the moment. So I just arrived at the post office to pick up my package. Another 20 seconds, then I have it. And let's unbox it. I will not do a big unboxing. I'll just tell you why I bought it. So 10 seconds later, here's the package. As you can see, but I will not make a real unboxing, just a quick box out. And let's do this. Ta-da! Here it is. I will not unbox it. The reason why I bought this, as you know, I already have a 5D Mark IV and a 7D Mark II. Well, the 7D Mark II sucks actually at Astro picture when I go high ISO, so it doesn't look really well. And this I got really for a great price. For a full frame camera new for under $900 US is really cheap, so I thought why not. So I will use this as my secondary camera, but when you already will see this clip will be already some days old, because I'm trying to go this weekend. In 3 days I want to go to the mountains to take night photography, and with this baby here I will take time lapses. So let's see how this will perform. I hope of good weather. I really hope. So today is Sunday, 2 days later than my last comment that as you can see outside it's snowing, but on Monday it will be a little bit cloud and sunshine, but it will be new moon. So I'm trying to go into the mountains, or maybe even on Tuesday it will be really sunshine, so I will try to go then, or maybe but for that reason I have bought a new jacket with long underwear, with also a sweatshirt, extra warm, and also this one here, so I cannot. On top of that, just to be sure, some gloves. As you can see, the bodies of the 7D, 5D and 6D are quite the same. The only difference is of the 6D, the flippy screen, and the menus are not there anymore, they're on the other side. But when you compare the 7D and the 5D, you see it's basically exactly the same. And the menu as well. Good morning, it's a Monday. And today is new moon, and I think tonight I can have my picture that I wanted over 6 months ago. No clouds. I will go exactly here. You see it? And you see the little lake, and this is the cloud. Actually at 7 o'clock, you see that sea here, I will be around there on the map. And when I go later at 10 o'clock and see at the cloud, it's still clear here, so I will risk. And as I mentioned, my warm stuff for tonight. So I do hope I have everything packed. I think I should have everything. So let's go. The reason why I drive already now, because up there is a nice restaurant, so I want to eat something and also fly with my drone in the winter. Just to test my Indy filter, well, not to test, but make some beautiful images. This is my goal actually. It's 2 o'clock now, so I will drive up 6:30. So during that time I will also eat something, and after 6:30 I will start with my Astro photography. I hope I see the Milky Way, because from my home 3 days ago I could not find the Milky Way. The weather doesn't look so good. I hope it's get much better the next 20 miles. It's difficult to tell if it will be sunshine or not. I have to go up to see it. If there's, because on the other side a much of cloud. So I'm driving now uphill. Wish me luck. At the moment I see sunshine but many clouds around me. So I do hope I still have sunshine upstairs and also a clear sky for tonight, because this is really risky. At the moment I am in the fog. 3 miles to go upstairs until the destination. So with a little luck I really hope that I am above the clouds, but I'm not sure. At this, I am above. Yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Beautiful. I did not expect that. My road was there in the summer, but with my car not a chance. And I think it's not a road anymore in the winter. Okay, it's around 2 miles to walk, maybe 1.5. So the road is no more in winter. I travel light at the moment, just my drone. So let's see if the restaurant is still open back there. It looks like a Disney movie, not? Looks sweet. My drone flight is done now. My hands are freezing. The camera is as cold as the snow. So now I get back to the car. Then I leave my drone in the car and then I will the rest out. I hope the fog doesn't come like behind here. So I have a clear sky tonight. So, but we'll see that. I'm finished with drone flight. I'm here with the backpack and everything that I need for the night photography. It's just a beautiful place. Look at this place. It's just gorgeous. I love it. Well, I think it's the first time for me in winter, so I will see how cold it will be at the night. But I will see this tonight. It's pretty dark outside now. I think the lake is on my side. It's still blue sky, but it's quite cold. So, I'm in my car now. First I thought it was too bright, but now it's a little bit darker, but the problem is the cloud came up, so I had to abort anyway. But maybe tomorrow I will come again, because I'm not sure about it, but I will check it now when I drive down, how dark it is, and yeah. But now I'm driving home. So today is Tuesday, around 2 for the mountain. I just finished working. It's 6:30 in the evening. I'm still in my parking lot that I have at my work, so I will drive up now because I have everything with me, big jacket and everything, so I will drive up again. So the traffic is over. I'm now at the tank stop at the moment. Just have a little bit one sweet because it's already 8 o'clock near, but because it's very cold I have here on the lips are very dry, so mellow and cream for the nose because of the flu I had 3 days ago. But let's go up. So I just arrived. I already changed now. I will go out. I just started the car to see how cold it is at the moment. At the moment we have -7 degrees. You see it here. So it's 8:11. So, but the night looks tonight much darker than yesterday. So I will make now with both cameras some time lapses at the moment, maybe for half an hour. That gives me around 7 seconds of time lapse. So I will do that with both camera. After that I will make some other pictures, and yeah, then I will go home again. Tomorrow is a work day,